Well, things are fine. Let me make on the big screen and I'm here in the video section. Let's come back to the playlist. So right now I have the complete playlist. So in the last couple of video, many of you have asked me about the project that which one you should include in your portfolio, and that one is really very important. No matter how many syntax you learn, how many complex strategy you learn, how like you learn about the infrastructure, you learn about the data structure algorithm, but if you're not building anything from scratch, then it's going to be all confusing. I'm not going to say it's waste, but you're not going to make any relation when you're going to implement those concepts which you have learned theoretically. So building project is one of the things which you have to do in 2026. AI is absolutely fine. There is no problem. You're going to have this AI when you will start working. But AI can generate you 80% to 90% of the code. But definitely AI is going to miss that 1%. And there you're going to have the critical bug. So if you have the fundamentals, if you have the understanding deeply, then you can able to track down those problems. So you can easily able to ship the product online and you think that every single thing is working absolutely fine. Unless someone will try to attack your application, someone will hack your contract, someone will exploit it. And in few cases, someone will report you that this is the problem you have in your application. So having your fundamental, having your understanding about the core technology is one of the area which you have to focus. AI is going to be in your development to increase your efficiency, to foster your development. So if you are starting up in 2026, the first thing I would tell you to build the project straight away. Forget about any programming language, any technology. Just pick a project and try to build from scratch. When you will follow the tutorial, build every single thing. After that, you will automatically realize that what exactly you need if you really want to become a blockchain developer, what technology you have to master, how you have to write the contract, what are the tools and software you have that you have to utilize it. So after that, you can start thinking about it, start working on the project, and you can try to build the logic which you have implemented. So you have understood that you need a smart contract, you need what kind of variable we need in the smart contract to build a logic. What are the things we should not include in the contract to save the gas consumption. So you will automatically have this idea because you're going to build something at like something real where you will see every single thing is coming together. Users are performing transaction. So if I come back to my playlist, there you will find that we have 180 plus project related to blockchain. I just want you to build five different projects included in a portfolio. You will master almost every single complexity which you have to know as a smart contract developer. So if I come back here, you will see that I'm in the playlist section. If you are interested in Solana ICO Launchpad, where you have to build a smart contract using Rust programming language, Anchor framework, then pick this particular project. We have the playlist in which we have 5 videos. So in this, we are building the complete project from scratch, including the backend, frontend, and smart contract, building the connection with the decentralized protocol for Solana blockchain. Pick that one. If you want to take it to the advanced level, check this one as well, in which we have 9 videos. If you want to build for a complex, like with staking feature, with referral model, with multiple payment options like stable coins, and with native currency, then pick this one. Like it has the huge project, it has 11 videos. So watch every single thing. We have discussed every single thing in detail, so it will give you the complete understanding that how you can build the project. If you come back to the next one, we have this crypto, where we have built every single thing from scratch, where you're going to write the smart contract, where you will learn that what are the logic, what are the things you have to keep in mind when you want to define the pricing as a hard code value, as a dynamic pricing, how you can provide accessibility so randomly, how you can able to validate that. That's all you're going to master in this. So build this particular project. It's a complete project where you will build the front end, back end, and Web3 integration. You want to master about AI integrations, like we have multiple SDK. If you talk about OpenAI, we have Gemini and other AI models. If you want to include in your project as a SDK model, as an API endpoint, where you want to allow the user to generate images or audio, video, any kind of logic you want to implement using the agent model, you can check this one. It has the complete playlist where we have built the complete clone of image generation. If you want, come back here, you can build a staking dApp. We have a complete project. You can also build a ICO marketplace where you can allow user to come and launch their own ICO project, which you can allow them. If you want to start with a decentralized ecosystem as a complete beginner, then build the supply chain management, in which you will learn that how you can build, what are the requirements you need to have. As a beginner, as a complete newbie, this is the first project you have to include in your portfolio. Then come back to the liquidity marketplace. We have a Uniswap clone. We have spent almost 12 hour into this. We have built the contract, we have built the front end, we have built the market mechanism, we have built the V2 model. That's all is there. All the contract which communicating with one another to provide the liquidity, staking, and swap model. So that's what you will find. If you come back here right now, we have Solana token creator, where you will find that how user can create the Solana. That's also you can check. You can check the models we have. We have the Metaplex, how we can utilize that one. Come back to the crypto trading bot. So if you want to build a complex architecture where you want to trigger the price point, where you want to set the rules that this is how you want to allow the user to trade and do the customization in the event, in the trigger model, that's all you can provide. If you come back here, we have built the Facebook clone, totally decentralization, where user can create, upload, tweak, share the details. They can do all of that, and all of the data is going to be stored on the decentralized infrastructure on the blockchain, and is going to control by the smart contract. No third party control system we have. So all the rules are publicly there and you can interact. So you can check that all of it. So we have the ICO builder project. We have the, if you want to build your own chat application like a chat GTP, you can check this one. If you want to build your own staking DApp, you can check this one. If you want to build your own cryptocurrency like crypto wallet, check this one. We have more than 880 plus projects. So I wanted to come back here, simply type the blockchain coder. All of this video is already available on our channel. So you can come back here, go back to the source code section, just simply download the starter file and start following it. All of this video, all of this complete project is already available. You can simply click and watch and understand that what exactly we're going to develop. So this is the quick update video I want to give you, because many of you were asking me, provide me the resources. This is the resources. And no matter when you're going to develop this project, it will work absolutely fine, because the architecture we have followed, it's called sustainable model. This is what I generally call, because my first motive for building any application that you have to keep the track of all the packages and focus on stability as security. So we're going to use the customized version of the packages so it can work for longer period. So no matter after how many years you are watching this video, it's going to still work absolutely fine. So make sure to check that one. Come back here and check all of this video. If you really want to know about the website development, front-end development, check this one. If you want to build a to-do application in a decentralized ecosystem, check this one. That's all is there. Voting app, chat application, that's all is there. So this is your ultimate resource. Again, I'm telling you, this is your ultimate resource. If you have a good project in your portfolio, you will be definitely in much better place as compared to those wipe code or those who don't have any understanding. The AI will generate the 90% of the code, but that 1% is going to create the bug. And when that 1% bugs will accumulate automatically, when you're going to make the modification, will try to upgrade the architecture, because it's already have the bug and it's going to create that complexity. So try to understand, don't be in the trap to avoid your focus from the core learnings. Trust me, give you 3 to 4 months, understand it. After that, things becomes very clear to you, very clear. So that's the quick update I want to give you. If you have any question, any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.